Students, before going to start the activities of unit number 6 goods and services, we will complete the two activities of unit number 1 that were left in our last session. First one is on page number 7, activity B. What is one place you like to visit in Islamabad? Write 3 sentences about the place. Firstly, you will select the place in Islamabad that you like to visit. So the place I would like to visit in Islamabad is the Shakkarpariya Hills. And what is special about it? It has many plants growing there. And the reason you want to go there, I would like to go there because the view of Islamabad from Shakkarpariya Hills is beautiful. Next activity on skill book page number 5 unit 1 Islamabad. This activity is about leopards. Leopard is an endangered animal. Endangered animals are those animals that are left in very few numbers in the world. So do you think we should look after leopards? Cross out the words you do not agree with. We will cut the words that you do not agree with. First one is I think we should or should not look after leopards. So I think we should look after the leopards, so we will cut the word should not. Number 2 is I think we should or should not make safe places for leopards to live in. So I think we should make safe places for leopards to live in, so we will cut should not. Number 3, I think we should or should not tell lots of people that there are not many leopards left in the world. We should tell the people, so we will cut should not. Fourth one is I think scientists should or should not try to find ways to keep leopards safe. Scientists should try to find ways, so we will cut should not. Number 5, I think people are just as important or more important than leopards. So people are more important than leopards, so we will cut just as important. And last and number 6, write one more sentence of your own about leopards. So I think leopards should be allowed to live in their natural places. Now come to page unit number 6, book page number 37, goods and services. Copy the list into your notebook. Put a circle around the ones that are services. Firstly, we will select the services and then we will put a circle around it. Students, remember, goods are things that can be seen or touched, and services are work that are done by people for others. So first one is fruit. Fruit is a thing. Shopkeeper provides us his services, so we'll put a circle around shopkeeper. Next is nursing. Nursing is a service. Computer is a thing. Teacher is a service, so put a circle around it. Rice is a thing. Carpet is also a thing. Bicycle is also a thing. Cleaning is a service, so put a circle around it. Shirt is a thing. Bread is also a thing. Hairdressing is a service, so put a circle around it. Next is share your list with a friend. Do they agree? Yes, they will agree. So you will write that they are agreed. Next is student, put a circle like this. Shopkeeper, nursing, teacher, cleaning and hairdressing are services. Next is activity on skill book page number 23. Match the goods and services. Match the pictures with goods and services. In first picture there are some type of grain, so match it with good. In second picture a hairdresser cuts the hair, so he is providing his services, so match it with services. In third picture there is a nurse, she is providing her services, so match it with services. In fourth picture there is a car is a thing, so match it with goods. In second column a woman is cleaning the floor, he is doing some work, so match it with services. In next picture there is a police officer, he is also providing his services, so match it with services. In third picture there is a bookstore, it is a thing, so match it with goods. And in last picture a waiter is serving meal in a restaurant, he is providing his services, so match it with services. Student, match it in such way. Next activity on skill book page number 24. There are two choices that are given to you. You will choose the best. In first picture there is a mat that is made in picture A. there is a mat that is made in China, and in picture B there is a mat that is made in Pakistan. So which one will you choose? I will buy B because I like Pakistani products. Student, as a Pakistani, we should buy the things that are made in Pakistan. So you will write I will buy B because I like Pakistani products. In second picture there are book. First one is a new book and second one is a book that is recycled. Recycling means making a new thing from a old thing. So what will you choose? I will buy B because its price will be less. Student, always new things have high price. So you will buy book B because its price will be less. At last there is activity. You have some money left over. What will you do with it? Choose A, B, C. Suppose you have some money and you have three choices. First one is you will put it in a bank. Second one is you will buy a gift for your mother. And third one is you will buy a chocolate for yourself. What will you choose? I choose A because saving money is a good habit. Student, we will choose the best option because we should save our money. So you will choose option A because saving money is a good habit. At last there is a home assignment for you. You will solve the activity B on book page number 7 and plus skill book page number 5 of unit 1 Islamabad. You will read the pages of unit number 6, page number 36 and 37, and you will solve the activities on book page number 37 and activities on skill book page number 23 and 24. Student, take care yourself. We will meet next week inshallah. Allah Hafiz.